Jiji. Easy way. facilement, بسهولة. Talk, read, write in English. Parle, lire et écrire en anglais. تحدث واقرأ واكتب بالإنجليزية. So fast, si rapidement. وبسرعة. Learn with Jiji is the best way to learn. So, be with us and subscribe.
Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are and whenever you're watching this video. Welcome to my channel again, and it's been a long time I didn't show you any text. This is the first text for a while, and this is for A1. What I will just inform you, and I think they are good news, that I will share with you 4 texts during the week, and it's about the level. For this one is A1. We will have A2, B1 and B2. It depends. I will share with you vocabulary, I will ask you questions and so on. So let's start. So Anna's first trip abroad. Anna's first trip abroad. Anna is 23 years old. She lives in a small town in Italy. This year, she wants to travel to a new country. It is her first trip abroad. She chooses Spain because she loves the sun, beaches, and Spanish food. Anna books a flight online. She buys her tickets and prepares her bag. She takes clothes, her camera, a book, and a map. Her flight is at 9 in the morning. At the airport, Anna feels a little nervous, but also very happy. She shows her passport and boarding pass. Then she gets on the plane. The flight takes 2 hours. Anna looks out the window and sees the clouds. The plane lands in Barcelona. The weather is warm and sunny. In Barcelona, Anna stays in a small hotel near the beach. She visits famous places like La Sagrada Familia and Park Güell. She eats delicious tapas and drinks fresh orange juice. She also meets 2 new friends from Germany. They speak English together and go sightseeing as a group. Anna takes many pictures and writes in her travel journal every night. She learns a few Spanish words like hola and gracias. She feels happy and free. After 5 days, Anna goes back to Italy. She is tired, but full of good memories. She says, "This is the best week of my life." Alright, after I read, and you are reading, of course, with me, isn't it? Now we will have a comprehension questions to answer. What did you understand? So the first question is, where does Anna live? What country does she visit? What does she take in her bag? How does she feel at the airport? What famous places does she visit in Barcelona? Who does she meet during her trip? What language do they use to talk? And what does Anna learn to say in Spanish? How many days does she stay in Spain? What does Anna say at the end of her trip? These are the questions with no answer. In the end of the video, I will share with you the answers. Now moving to translation. In this part, you will see the text with my reading, my second reading, and translation to Arabic and Turkish. Part 1. English. Anna is a young woman. She lives in a small town in Italy. She has never traveled to another country before. One day, she decides to visit Spain. Part 2. She buys a plane ticket to Barcelona. She packs her bag with clothes, her camera, a book, and a map. She is excited and a little nervous. Third part. At the airport, she shows her passport and gets on the plane. She looks out of the window and sees the clouds. It is her first time flying. Part 4. In Barcelona, Anna visits many places. She sees La Sagrada Familia and Park Güell. She takes many pictures. Part 5. She meets 2 new friends from Germany. They speak English together. They eat Spanish food and laugh a lot. Part 6. Anna learns to say hola and gracias after 5 days. She flies back home. She says, "This is the best week of my life. Now we have the comprehension questions after you read again with me with translation. You have the question again and the answers directly. Now we will move to the most important part for A1 and those vocabulary. Those are the vocabulary that we learned today. And we have abroad. The meaning of abroad, in another country. Anna travels abroad for the first time. So what does it mean abroad? It means another country. başka bir ülke. لبلد آخر يعني. Flight, a trip by airplane. Her flight is at 9 a.m. We have passport, travel ID document. She shows her passport at the airport. Boarding pass, ticket to enter the plane. The boarding pass has her seat number. Sightseeing, visiting interesting places. They go sightseeing in Barcelona. Journal, a book to write personal stories. She writes in her journal every night. So as you can say, those are the vocabulary that we learned. I want from you to translate it and to write it in the comments below. But before to say goodbye to you, my dears, I would just recommend for you something. Tell us in the comments, have you ever traveled to another country? If yes, where did you go? If not, where would you like to go? Write your answer in English in the comments. For example, yes, I went to France last year and it was beautiful. Or, I want to visit Japan one day. So if yes, you tell me where did you go. If no, where you want to go. So you will just write, I want to visit, America, Canada. It depends. See you in the comments and goodbye till the next video.